Imagine if you could refine your documents in seconds, not hours. We know that perfecting your documents across Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel can be a time-consuming challenge. That's why we're introducing Templafy AI Assistant, your new partner in editing documents and emails effortlessly. Whether you need help writing, editing, or improving content in your emails, presentations, documents, and spreadsheets, Templafy AI Assistant is here to help. Just select the text you want to adjust, choose the best prompt, and let the assistant handle the rest. While these prompts are crafted to be safe and aligned with the brand's voice, always take a moment to verify the output. Remember, you can always submit ideas for other prompts that could benefit you and your team. Try it out today. Document editing made smarter with Templafy AI Assistant.